Hello, dears. Welcome back to Laura English Podcast. I'm really glad you're here with me tonight. Maybe you're lying on your bed after a long day, or maybe you're listening with your earphones while staring at the ceiling, searching for some quiet in your mind. If that's you, I want you to know this moment is for you. A little pause, a little space where you don't have to be okay or have it all figured out. You can just listen and breathe. Tonight, I want to talk about something many of us carry in silence, that heavy, lost feeling. The days when everything seems blurry, when you don't know which direction to take, and the pressure of life feels heavier than your own strength. Have you ever felt like that? Like you're moving, but not really going anywhere. Like everyone else already knows what they're doing, while you're still trying to make sense of where you even belong? If yes, then you're not alone, and this episode is for you. There are seasons in life when everything feels heavy. You wake up in the morning, but instead of feeling excited about the day, you already feel tired, not just in your body, but somewhere deeper, in your heart, in your mind. Maybe it's work that drains you, or maybe it's not having work at all and feeling unsure about what's next. Maybe it's the pressure to meet expectations from family, from society, from yourself, or maybe it's that quiet fear that you're being left behind. Have you ever scrolled through social media and thought, why does everyone else seem so sure of their life while I can't even figure out mine? It's a heavy thought, isn't it? And sometimes the hardest part isn't even the problems themselves. It's the not knowing where you're heading. Not knowing if you're making the right choices, not knowing if things will ever feel lighter again. That uncertainty can feel like carrying a backpack full of invisible stones. You still walk, you still show up, you still smile in front of people, but inside, it feels like you're breaking piece by piece. And maybe you've been carrying it alone, because when someone asks, "How are you?" it's easier to just say, "I'm fine," even when inside you're not. If that's where you are right now, I want you to know, it's okay. It's okay to feel lost. It doesn't mean you failed. It only means you're human, walking through a chapter that is still unfinished. I think many of us in our last 20s feel this pressure. Sometimes it's not loud. It's not someone yelling at you, telling you to do better. No, it's softer. It whispers. It shows up when you scroll, when you compare, when you pause too long. Then there's the pressure of expectations. Maybe your family expects you to be strong, to succeed, to be the one who makes them proud. Or maybe it's the expectation you put on yourself, to never fall, to never fail, to always keep moving. But what if you can't? What if you're just tired? And then comes the pressure of comparison, looking at someone else's highlight reel and wondering why your life doesn't look the same, Even when deep down you know their story isn't perfect either, still you catch yourself thinking, "Why am I always behind?" This pressure doesn't always scream, but it squeezes you. It makes your chest heavy, your breathing shallow. It makes you second-guess yourself, even in the simplest choices. And here's the hardest part. Most of the time, nobody sees it. From the outside, you look fine. You laugh, you work, you play your role. But inside, the quiet anxiety never really leaves. It sits in your chest like a small weight that gets heavier every time you ignore it. If you've ever felt that pressure, that weight that nobody else can see, I want you to know, you're not alone in this. So many of us carry it, even if we don't say it out loud. Maybe that's why it feels so isolating, because when something is invisible, it's easy to believe you're the only one going through it. But trust me, you're not the only one who's quietly struggling. Sometimes, the hardest part isn't the pressure itself, but the loneliness that comes with it. You know those nights when you just want to talk to someone, but then you realize you don't even know who to call anymore. Maybe the friends you used to rely on drifted away. Maybe life pulled you into different directions. And suddenly, the people who once knew everything about you don't really know you anymore. And so, you keep it all inside. The late night worries, the questions about the future, the fear of not being enough. They stay locked in your chest because you don't want to burden anyone. It's strange, isn't it? How we can be surrounded by people, yet feel completely alone. At work, you smile. With family, you play your role. On social media, you share just enough to look okay. But deep down, you wonder if anyone truly sees you. And the silence can be so loud, like when you lie in bed and the world finally gets quiet. That's when the thoughts come rushing in. Am I falling behind? Am I disappointing everyone? Am I even on the right path? When hope feels far away, it's easy to start believing that maybe you're stuck forever, that maybe you'll never figure it out, that maybe the dreams you once had were too big for someone like you. And I know, sometimes you don't need advice. You don't need someone to fix it. You just want someone to sit next to you and say, "It's okay, I hear you, I get it." If you've ever felt like this, lost, tired, carrying everything in silence, please remember, you're not strange, you're not weak, and you're not broken. You're human. And being human is messy. Sometimes painfully messy. I want you to pause for a moment and really think about your journey. Not just the struggles you are facing right now, but everything you've already walked through. Sometimes life feels heavy because we only look at what's missing, what we haven't achieved yet. But what if we take a step back and remember how far we've already come? Think about those nights when you cried quietly, not knowing how tomorrow would feel. Yet here you are. You're still breathing, still moving, still trying. Isn't that something already? Isn't that proof of your strength? Or those days when you didn't want to get out of bed, when everything felt meaningless, but somehow you found the courage to take even the smallest step. You showed up. Maybe it didn't look big from the outside, but deep inside, you know it mattered. Even those tiny steps were progress. And progress is not always loud. Sometimes it's just you, choosing to keep going, even when no one is watching. That's brave. That's worth remembering. So tonight, before you sleep, whisper it gently in your heart. Thank you for holding on. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for carrying me through the storms. And now, I want you to take one step further. Beyond remembering your progress, I want you to hold a gentle space in your heart for gratitude. Not the kind that feels forced, but the kind that comes softly, like a quiet reminder that even in heavy days, not everything is heavy. Think about today, or maybe yesterday. Was there a small moment that made you smile, even for just a second? Maybe the taste of your favorite food, or a song that brought back a good memory. Those are not small. They're pieces of life reminding you that you're still here, still moving, still living. And here's something important. Be grateful for yourself, too, for the choices you made, even if they weren't perfect, for the way you kept going, even when you didn't feel strong enough. You've given so much of yourself to this journey. You deserve your own kindness. So, here we are, at the end of this little conversation. I want you to take a deep breath with me, in and out. Sometimes that's all we need, a pause, a reminder that we're still here, still breathing, still moving forward. Let me know a little piece of your story in the comments, maybe about the weight you've been carrying, or the small things that help you get through the day. Sometimes, writing it out is healing. And who knows, your words might even comfort someone else who needs to hear they're not alone either. And I hope you let yourself rest. Rest is not weakness. Rest is part of growth. You don't always need to push, to achieve, to prove. Sometimes just existing, just breathing, just being you is already more than enough. I want you to carry this thought before you sleep tonight. You are more capable than you think. You are stronger than you feel. And you are more loved than you realize. Let tomorrow come at its own pace. For now, close your eyes, soften your heart, and let the heaviness slip away, even just for a while. Remember, you're not walking alone.